491 Broadway, first update video. We just got here and we got all the utilities turned on. Everything's running good. The AC's working great. So see down here, everything's running. Keeps it down here pretty cool too, so this is nice. We're going to hook those up, so you make sure that those work. Get these painted. But what we want to do first is we want to get this flooring out, because that flooring the new flooring we're going to put in is going to be the big difference in this one. So you can see there, I'm going to show you, but we're going to get all this cleaned out. He's here now getting this stuff out. Here's underneath, and so let me go upstairs here. Thank you. So he's got to take all the staples out. All this stuff's got to be taken out. And before we start laying the vinyl floor, as you can see here, it's getting all cleaned out. So then we'll start, because we're not painting this one or anything, so we're going to go in and everything's going to look like this. Actually, this was already here. This is this is actually about this, I think it's the exact flooring that we use. But it's really good to put vinyl in here because it lasts. You don't have to keep replacing it like we have to with this carpet. So same thing here in this bedroom. Getting all this done and getting that going. And again, they ran that already in here, so we don't have to do it, which is nice. Nice tub, a vanity, all that. So that's all good. So as you can see, we're moving on this one. And again, if you need to call me, 216-703-5740. And I'm Brett. I'm with Fathom Realty, and we do it all: construction, purchase, rehab, lease, sell. Like and subscribe to this channel and see the updates until this one's done. Thanks. Have a great day.